Hi all, my name is Vaibhav Joshi. In this video, we'll learn some of the shortcuts from the Tosca. To each and every action we perform in Tosca, for example, we create a test case, we create a reusable component, we use reusable test block, we create a test configuration parameter, or we create a module, or we create a library, or if you want to add a conditional statement. So for all of these actions, shortcuts are available into Tosca. In this section, we learn some of the shortcuts from the test case section. So let's quickly jump onto Tosca to learn more on it. So before creating the shortcuts, I'll create one folder inside the root folder, and the shortcut for creating a folder is Ctrl and Ctrl F, and I name the folder as Tosca shortcuts. Now inside this newly created folder, I'll create a test case, and the shortcut for creating a test case is Ctrl and Ctrl T. So the shortcut has been created, and I'll name it as test case. Okay. Now at the test case level, I want to define a test configuration parameter. Now why test configuration parameter is required? Suppose if you want to run your test case on a particular browser, for example, you want to run it your test case on Internet Explorer, or if you want to define your test case on the Chrome, so you need to define that browser into the test configuration parameter. So the shortcut for creating a test configuration parameter is Ctrl and Ctrl dot. So as you can see, the parameter has been created. Now we need to define the values. Okay, variable name I'll give it as browser, and the value I'll give it as Internet Explorer. Okay, now suppose if you want to run your test case on Chrome, so instead of this Internet Explorer, I'll write it as Chrome. Okay, now the next shortcut is to create a library, and the shortcut for creating a library is Ctrl and Ctrl L. Okay, now the next shortcut is to create a business test case, and the shortcut for creating it is Ctrl and Ctrl B. So as you can see, the business test case has been created. Now what is the difference between a normal test case and a business test case? Okay, we can't execute the business test case, they are not executable, whereas test case, we can execute the test case to perform any action. So in short, business test case are a high level pictorial representation of your test case. Okay, now you have scanned a few modules and you want to use those modules into a test case section. So how you will use that? There are two ways to use. The first one is you can drag and drop your module from your modules section to the test case, and the second way is a shortcut. Click on this test case and press Ctrl T. This window would appear displaying all of your modules. So just type it whatever you want to add the module. Suppose I want to add open URL, so the open URL has been added to your test case. We can use a shortcuts. There are plenty of shortcuts available in Tosca into each of the sections. We won't be able to cover them into one, but yes, there would be a series of videos covering all of the shortcuts. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.